This could be our good night.
I'm a duck. Avalanche! Avalanche! G'day legends. Well, it's morning 3 of our Japan snow trip and it is a beautiful day outside, as you can see. Check that out. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so we're on the loose. We're out in the streets. Beautiful sunny day. How you feeling, Sinead?
Good.
That's what I'm going to say, good. Wonderful. Good talk. So we're going to head down. Heading down to Joey's to get our boots fitted properly. Because our boots are a bit, well, haven't been fitted properly, so we need to get them fitted properly. That's Kogakura, where I stayed the last 2 times. We'll head there tonight for a drink at happy hour. So, Sinead's going to get her boots properly fitted.
Yeah, one's bigger than the other as
Here,
well.
here at Joey's.
Super common.
The pain was too much. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe, like, and leave us a comment.
Ready for day.
Another exciting day of snowboarding, and only a snowboarder or a skier knows the feeling of the best feeling in the world is taking off the boots. Oh, well, trust Sinead to find Red Bull and Jägermeister. And how much was the Jägermeister, dear?
$25.
$25 for a bottle of Jägermeister. What's it normally at home? At 70?
About that, yeah.
So she's made a Jäger bomb. And she goes.
Delicious. tree.
Okay, legends, we've returned to the scene of the crime. The last 2 times I've stayed in Japan, I stayed at this place, Kogakura, and the last time was 2020, and my son Kai was working here.
And now he's with his daughter.
And now I'm with my daughter. So I'm going to take inside.
Yeah, for sure. On the road.
So this is the bar that Kai worked at in 2019. It hasn't changed at all. The crowd's a little bit older.
Was they younger when he was here?
Yeah, it was. It was a heaps younger crowd. Yeah, it's like me and Vic were the oldest people here.
Really?
Yeah. And still got the
I love it.
Just 1 second.
Aussie guys working behind the bar. Okay, so the original dinner didn't go to plan. It was about $99 for dinner. I didn't want to spend that much, so we've left everyone else and we've come to the skate bar. Fuck. Had a few drinks, it's alright. Skate bar, but there's no skate ramp, but there's skate bar. Yeah, the skate bar 2 in town is the one with the skate ramp. Little place. And we got food, and it was only like $20 for 2.
Is that the grilled chicken?
Chicken salt and negi.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, the Yakatoris are out, so she's a little bit happier now. We'll get some food in her.
Yeah.
So she wants to get back out.
I've been very
So yeah, the skate bar was a really good meal. We had gozas, yakatoris, and a little pot of sake, and it was about $33. Where it's a lot better than what we were expecting tonight. So pretty happy. Especially after my my bottle of sake. And here's the oh shit. Here's the menu here. You can see it's
couldn't find the flash button.
on the right hand side. Like during the, and Sinead couldn't find the flush button.
No.
That's alright. We don't need the flush. There's mellow, there's yellow, let it mellow.
Nah. Oh, is it? This is for you, supposedly.
For me.
I'm a duck.
That's what I thought. Well, this is a Japanese toilet. The seat is heated. It squirts water up your ass, but there's still put instructions here on how to piss. Obviously, they've got some issues with people pissing and missing the floor. But yeah, it's pretty tidy. Like, you know, it's a unisex toilet. And that's just the way they roll here in Japan.
I'm not sure if the bee is too foamy or... I got 2 glasses of fuck. Get him!
Avalanche! Avalanche! Avalanche!
That was quite good.
Avalanche! Check it out.
Hey, legends.
Get out
Hey, legends. G'day, legends.
Oh, she's got my shit.
Hi.
I don't. I have your shirt.
Hi.
I have your shirt.
It's
You want
me.
your shirt?
Hi. I'm the problem. It's me.
You are the problem. Let's go!
Chorizo to come out. Well, all that is a ramen a day keeps the doctor away.
Best is yet to come. I'm like a song you can't get out of your head.